Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening System Settings immediately. Click the Apple menu, then System Settings, or press CMD plus space and type Settings. Make sure you're signed in with an admin account so changes save. Once done, locate the Display or Lock Screen section. Different Mac OS versions label it differently. You need to be in the right panel to change timeout options rather than energy saver. So this first step gets you to the exact control panel where the timeout options live. You now change the actual timeout. In Display or Lock Screen, find the setting labeled Screen Sleep, Turn Display Off, or Lock after Screensaver. The label varies. Click the drop-down and pick a preset like 1, 5, or 15 minutes, or choose Never to prevent automatic screen off. Once selected, the system will apply it immediately. Make sure to test by waiting or using the Display Sleep hotkey. Adjusting here ensures the screen timeout and lock behavior match your workflow and power preferences. Finish by confirming the change. Wait the chosen interval or trigger sleep manually to verify. If the timeout reverts or grays out, check for MDM profiles or configuration profiles that enforce policies. Remove or update them if permitted. If settings still won't stick, restart the Mac, and as a final step, reset NVRAM/SMC. This often fixes persistent power/display issues. Make sure to back up any important work before resets. If problems continue, contact Apple support with your Mac OS version and profile details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.